So I want to explain how we change the sun. Now, it's kind of like it's really hard for people to understand how we can do that all the way over here on Earth, and the sun's all the way over there, and it's so much more massive than we are. But if you understand the things that I've been explaining, how the sun is connected to all the planets, how the sun actually works with the gas-powered star theory, and the changes that we're doing to the Earth itself and the core, then you can kind of start wrapping all that together and apply it to this. Okay, so understanding that the sun is externally powered, that it actually gets gases from the other planets, the main provider being Earth, is how it's sustained. And so when you weaken the Earth's core loses energy, and then our atmosphere is vented and our atmosphere shrinks, and the connection between the Earth and the sun itself are significantly weakened. And that happens because there's actually mass on both sides of this connection between the sun and the Earth. And you're taking away the atmosphere of the Earth, so there's less atmosphere all around to be transferred. And then you weaken the connection, so there's less mass at the Earth's core connecting to the sun. And so because there's mass at the end at the sun that's connected to Earth, that mass is also not required. So it disperses and is either ejected into space or goes to other connections. A lot of it's going to be dispersed, and previously stored mass on the sun is going to be consumed and used up. But so just by changing, like you can even look at it as like two electromagnetic balls, and there's a large connection here, and so this connection to Earth gets weaker. The connection over there gets weaker. I think I explained it pretty well. I can go into detail and helps if you guys ask questions and whatnot, but just kind of trying to speed this along and wrap this up. So, because I know that there's a group out there that actually blame the sun for climate change, and there are cycles, right? Like I was just saying, and I might get into our climate history down the road sometime. I might not. I don't know, but throughout the whole cycle of the solar system, the sun is storing energy, and for the last, it can be debated how many years, it's actually been using up that stored energy, because we're not providing it with enough energy anymore. But yeah, that's another topic for another time. So anyway, I hope that's a basic explanation as to how we're changing the sun. The sun's not the driving force in climate change. We are.